guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Zaria, and in this video I'll be doing a wig install. So let's get into it. A couple weeks back I bought a 22-inch body wave U-part wig from Julia Hair. This is the wig, have minimal shedding, good quality hair, no complaints, especially for it being my first U-part wig. I have no complaints. This will be my third install, I believe. As I install it more, I get better. So hopefully on this go around, I'll get even better. I'm thinking about doing a side part. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my left side or my right side. I usually do my side parts on the left, but I think I might switch it up and do a right part, but we're gonna see. I typically do slick backs or braids or faux locks, or just don't use heat at all. But the faux locks and the braids were taking my edges out, and I was like, okay, I need to take a break from them. And I thought wigs would be the alternative. My hair would still be put up, but since I'll be doing these braids, I'm not the best braider. I'm not a braider at all. So I thought with these, I know the braids are not gonna be too tight, just enough to put all this hair up. So, and so far it's been pretty good, no tension or low tension. And I'm looking forward to seeing how my hair grows as I continue to wear wigs. And I actually ordered some more wigs. I brought 2 more wigs, a yaki straight. So this is a body wave. I'm gonna get a yaki straight so it can, you know, match my hair more. And I also got a kinky curly one, so that should be fun. So look out for those videos in the future, but let's hop into this video. Okay, so I'm back. I finished braiding up my hair. So here's my leave out, and here are my braids. They are not perfect at all, but it's flax. Now it's time to put on the wig. So I never showed you guys the inside of the wig, but this is the construction of the wig. It has 2 clips on the side, 1 in the middle. I honestly don't use this too often. And then it has combs on the side and a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and another adjustable strap. I take my glasses off, and then I just plop it on. Well, I slide this back adjustable strap on. I just pull this back, and then this is, I know I look a little crazy. This is where I go in and actually secure. Along the part. So then now I'm going to take that side clip. Okay, and this is how she is looking. I'm just adjusting clips. Okay. So this is how it looks. I'm digging the body wave, to be honest. I'm liking how the body wave look. This is how it looks in the back. Yeah. But yeah, so it's all nice and flat. Yeah, nice and flat. So now it's time to blend my hair with the wig. I'm using my Nano, my Babyless Nano Titanium flat irons. I actually have a video on my channel already reviewing. It's not the exact same style, but basically the same, I guess, series of flat irons by Babyless on my sister-in-law. Check out that video. I'll make sure I put it up on the screen, whatever corner, or put it in the description below. And yeah, I have it preheated to 410. I already put heat protectant in my hair when I blow dried it, so I don't think I need to put any more. I'm not gonna put any more, but I'm going to now start okay, so I'm gonna take a brush and brush over the tracks. And then, as you can see, I didn't leave any edges out, but since I do not braid tight, I can kind of pull some out. This is how it looks. I'm gonna put some argan Moroccan oil. Oh, and then the products that I used on my natural hair to blow dry my hair, I use this Mielle Mongongo. If I'm saying this wrong, do not make fun of me. This is the Mielle Mongongo oil, thermal and heat protectant spray. Then I also use the GIOVANNI Frizz Be Gone Super Smoothing Anti-Frizz Hair Serum. And then to oil my scalp, I use the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So this is the oil I use to oil my scalp and hair while my braids are in, or while my hair is underneath this wig. So I do try to take off the wig each night, give my hair a rest. Also, since these clips are clipped in, I don't want any more attention on my hair, so I just take that off and on my scalp in between I wouldn't say every day, but every other day is good. So this is how the hair looks. Honestly, I'm digging the body wave curls. Don't spin all the way. So I'm actually liking that, and I think I might keep my hair like that. I'm just gonna take my hair and some of the wig, just so I can blend it more within the wig. I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna use the Got to Be Glued styling gel. Let's quickly do my edges. So here's the final look. I did some edges, and I think I'm gonna keep just the body wave for now. It is, I don't know what time it is, but it's definitely past my bedtime. Time for me to go to bed. I have work tomorrow. But this is the final look. Blended my hair in, and let me do a 360. Hopefully it looks good back there. And yeah, if you like these type of videos, if you like this video in particular, and you want to see me install my next 2 wigs that I ordered, comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, your family, and I'll see you guys in the next video.